funnier in Western.
Starks and the Lannisters. I thought these were enemies.
Yes.
A joke is like a story, not a true story.
A story that's supposed to make you laugh. Sander, do you like the wine? Tell a joke.